In this video, I will show you the simplest way to create this type of posters which are perfect for album cover arts in Photoshop. First of all, select an image, then use object selection tool. With the layer selected, create a rectangle by dragging the cursor so it automatically selects the object from the image. We can see the object is not been selected properly, so for that, hold shift then drag from that fault part. After selection, make sure the layer is selected. Create a duplicate of layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Now, if I hide this layer, the selected object is still visible, as it marks the selected object from the layer. Now, select the image, then enable transform option, then right click and select flip horizontal. And adjust the image and put it on any side like this. Now, select the image, then click on filter, then apply sharpen to sharpen the edges of the image. Here is my settings. Now apply a threshold layer and adjust the slider according to the image. After that, go to the image layer, then apply a noise filter. Set the amount to 3, then hit OK. You can add other graphics elements, like here I'm adding a cursor pointer. I'll provide a download link in the description. Now apply a gradient map above all the layers. Then make a group of all the layers like this. Then make a clipping mask by holding the Alt key. Now set the background color. I will make it something like teal for the background. Further, you can add a drop shadow to the text and the images to give a depth feel. Here are my shadow settings. Now for ease, merge all the layers by pressing Ctrl Alt Shift E. This will merge all the visible layers. Lastly, add a texture, so you can download it from the description below. Experiment with the blending style. I will go with the overlay. Then with the eraser tool, erase the few parts to make it look less grungy. Alternatively, you can reduce the texture opacity, but this also works fine. Lastly, apply some noise with little color correction and you are done. So, this was a quick easy tutorial to create this type of posters, and if you have found this useful, make sure to watch other tutorials in my channel. Bye.